So in this video, I'm just going to quickly go over this heading maps extension. Um, so this is the extension. You can install it and activate it. And I haven't pinned it, but let me unpin a few of these. But this is the extension right here, HeadingsMap. All right. Yes. So right here, the H represents the heading map extension. So now what does it do? All right, so I've done a search for cookies online, and let's pick a search result, a page. Okay, so these look nice. Not sure I like this one so much. How about these yummy cookies? Oh, these are nice pictures. Okay, let's go with this site. All right, so now we're going to click on the extension HeadingsMap, and then it opens up on the left-hand side a list of all the headings. Now, it doesn't look terribly exciting, to be honest. Looks like Yummy Cookies is probably the H1. Just looking at the site. Or no, that's actually the title tag. All right, so then it looks like Ginger Snap is an H2. Yummy Cookies is H2. Okay, so it gives us a breakdown of all the, I guess, titles on the page, including the title tag. 'Cause Yummy Cookies does look like the title tag, and everything else below it looks like an H2. We can check that if we really wanted to. How can we? Let's see. Let's go find Yummy Cookies. I wonder if we can inspect that. Yes, so it looks like Yummy Cookies is an H2. If you see on the right-hand side, we inspected that bit of the code for that particular word there, and it's Yummy Cookies is within the H2 tags. Okay, so let's try another page that maybe has a bit more variety. How about Forbes? All right, so again, we're on our web page. We're going to click on the extension, and it did nothing. Oh, there it's doing something. And of course it's not. Oh, there you go. Now this is a bit more interesting. So let's have a look. Yes, this is much more interesting. So the title tag is indeed 13 best online cookie delivery services in 2024. And then again, looking at the left-hand side, we have these numbers 1, 3, 3, 2, and so forth. So I suspect that the 1 represents an H1 header, which makes sense because usually you have one H1 header. It's at the top. In this case, it is the 13 best cookie delivery services. Now we can inspect that to verify that it is indeed an H1. And yes, it is. Good. So this headers map extension lists out all the headers on a page, including the title tag, and then tells you what header it is. So in this case, the 1 represents an H1, the 3 represents an H3. Again, we can verify this. Best cookie, trying to find the best garage door system. I see. Best cookie delivery service overall. That's an H2. Again, we can inspect that particular heading, and it's an H2 just to verify. So again, this is useful because maybe one of these headers is misplaced, or maybe it's not the correct header. Maybe we'll notice that there's more than one H1 header, and then where it's located within, oh, look at that, within the post. So that's actually quite nice. You notice I clicked on with banana pudding cookies. It looks like, yeah, it brought us to that particular spot on the site. Let's try another one. Best cookie delivery service. Yes, best cookie delivery service for creative flavors. So that's also very helpful. So it helps us locate the actual position or spot within the article where that header is. So that's the heading map extension. It's very, very useful actually for locating headers within a post.